Ghana is guaranteed that's a $10.5 million because they qualify for the World Cup. Is guaranteed, it's assured. Say Ghana Sadeka, and this is how the breakdown is. Okay, so preparation money for the World Cup is $1.5 million. Okay, that FIFA will give to Ghana. Then $9 million will be given to Ghana because Ghana is going to the World Cup and because Ghana will play in the group stages. Okay, so these are the whole breakdown. The champion, the one who will win the World Cup, will get $50 million. Okay, that's it. The second place team will get $33 million. Third place team will get $29 million. Fourth place, $27 million, and from 5th to 8th, okay, they will get what we call $19 million. Then 8th to 16th position will get $50 million. 17th to 32 or 32nd position will get $11 million. Then 33rd to 48, one by they will get $9 million. So if Ghana goes to the World Cup and they don't even win a single match, then they are knocked out from the group stages, they will get $9 million. Okay, it can be more than the $9 million depending Black Stars' performance. If Black Stars fall within the 17th to 32nd position, it means that Ghana will get like $12.5 million. But for now, we say Ghana will get $10 million. So it's a cool choppable money for Ghana. People are saying, if Ghana get that $10 million, it means GFF because even AFCON, when we are going to the AFCON, the budget that they do for the AFCON must have $10 million. So let me know your thought. $10 million guarantee for the Black Stars of Ghana. Let me know your thought in the comment section.